walk on YouTube, we're there again, you know. Today we say we are going to step in the backyard kitchen, you know, Jamaican style. Today we are going to make jerk fish on the grill, old school style, over charcoal. So it's a simple dish. So what we're going to do today, we're going I've already pre-done, mixed my seasoning and everything. I'll leave everything in the description below. So that means that if you want to try it, you know, you try it. For us, we don't do it for make a money or anything. We do it for the love. That's why we name it The Love of Jamaica, 4L'AMOUR876. See? So, we're going to start with it, you know. Don't know we're in the backyard, so we always are going to have to compete with these flies because we live in Florida. Everybody don't know Florida is like Jamaica.
Fish. Yeah. We are Jamaicans, not no fake ones. Different color clocks like the aliens in a space jam. Yeah. Everywhere I go, me represent my island. Me a one Jamaica from Columbus to Shich Island. Me and my real friends link up on the weekends. Play ball round a land. One love take your side off. Skins for shirts, that was a face off. Every Saturday was a kicker. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. Let me take you to the island of Jamaica. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. You don't know, Judge, I love ya. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. In the island of Jamaica. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. Let me take you to the island of Jamaica. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. You don't know, Judge, I love ya. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. In the island of Jamaica. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming.
So anyhow, today what we're going to use a lane snapper. You know, we're going to use a lane snapper. So what we have done, clean the fish, put two streaks on the side, you know, to help get the seasoning all over it and everything. Alright, so first what I'm going to do, so we have a basket and everything. First what we're going to do now, we're going to rub some seasoning all over it. So what I've done, I've mixed some jerk seasoning, right, with some other ingredients. Make sure we get it all over the fish, inside of the crease them and everything. For me, I had a little paprika to give it a little color. I like when you have that reddish look, you know. Yeah. So there we go. Rub it in. As you can see, we go ahead and make some cut up some seasoning. Add a little stuffing, some garlic, scallion, and a little jerk seasoning. If you just give it a little base. For me, I like when I have my garlic. I like when my fish done with a lot of garlic. So we stuff it, the garlic, scallion, and a little jerk seasoning. Here we go again, still I rub up it and so forth. After we get that well seasoning now, we're going to use a basket. You know, you get these local stores. But the key to this now, you have to add like oil. You can use oil, I'm going to just use some spray. And spray it so as to not let it stick. You know, spray it. You can spray a little on the fish too. As I said, the idea is to have it not to stick. So we use a basket. Put the fish in. Try to use the furthest one just to, because the fish kind of fat, you know. And then we're going to lock it. So there you go. So right there, so ready to go. See? We try to keep the fire not blazing fire too high, you know, you kind of spread the coal them a little bit. But the idea is, I like to use that mostly smoke flavor on the jerk fish. There you go. As we say again, a backyard setting, you know, so we just do the thing, you know, we just have fun on a Sunday evening. Alright. Alright, now here we go now. Final stage. So we take it and look on it. Hit that. Yeah. So as you can see, little charcoal on the side, but that's not nothing. Well done. There you go. Here you have your jerk fish. So what we do now, we just add a little sauce. So there you go. Simple Jamaican jerk fish. Sauce that I've made with soy sauce, a little garlic, scallion, you know, add a little ketchup, just a spoonful of barbecue sauce, just to add a little flavor, and put it all over it. There you go, simple jerk fish, Sunday at its best. So, you know, before we eat, we have to give thanks to the Father. So let's just ask my son, Manai, to do the honors.
Lord, thank you for the food and blessing us for this day. In Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Amen. Thank you. YouTube, I saw it said, one love, you know? Shell down time. Peace out.
Fish. Yeah. We are Jamaicans, not no fake ones. Different color clocks like the aliens in a space jam. Everywhere I go, me represent my island. Me a one Jamaican from Columbus to Shih Island. Me and my real friends link up on the weekends. Play ball round a land. One love take your side off. Skins for shirts, that was the face off. Every Saturday was a kicker. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. Let me take you to the island of Jamaica. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. You don't know, Judge, I love ya. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. In the island of Jamaica. We jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming, we jamming. Fish. Yeah. We are Jamaicans, not no fake ones. Different color clocks like the aliens in a space jam. Everywhere I go, me represent my island. Me a one Jamaican from Columbus to Shih Island. Me and my real friends link up on the weekends. Play ball round a land. One love take your side off. Skins for shirts, that was